Hi, stage 2. In today's number talk, you need to find the missing number. It's all about using inverse operations, which is just a fancy way of saying the opposite. I'm going to do a practice question, which is the same style as the questions you have, but uses different numbers. So the question I'm going to answer is, I start with a number, I multiply it by 6, I add 9, I end with the number 57. What number did I start with? Because I've already given you a clue that we need to use inverse operations, that's the opposite to work it out, I'm going to give you one more clue. To find the answer, we need to start at the end. I end with the number 57. So I'm going to write down 57 on my board. The step before that is I add 9. The inverse operation for adding 9, the opposite would be subtracting 9. So I'm going to take away 9 from my 57. Because we're working backwards, we need to switch to make all of these inverse operations. So instead of adding, we're going to subtract, and instead of multiplying, we're going to divide. 57 take away 9 is 48. Okay. The step before adding 9 is I multiply it by 6. The opposite of multiplication is division. So instead of multiplying 48 by 6, I'm going to divide it by 6. I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. So 48 divided by 6 must be 8. That means my missing number is 8. But we're not going to stop there. I need to check that I got it correct. So I'm going to go from the beginning and do it in order now, making sure that I end up with 57 if I start with the number 8. So it says I start with a number. We're going to start with 8. I multiply it by 6, or 8 times 6 equals 48. So far we're on the right track. I add 9, 48 plus 9 equals 57. And I end with the number 57. What number did I start with? We got it right, which means that we definitely started with the number 8. Have a go doing the 2 questions on your own. And if you need help, make sure you ask your teachers on Zoom.